Hello, future designers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. Anybody can develop. Okay, so today we'll be doing an arm, or let's say two-shore arm or hand. So that said, with the rectangle tool selected, I'm going to draw horizontal rectangle. Ignore the stroke. So set the stroke to 0, and I'm going to give this color value. So now how to do is select the ellipse tool, and then we'll try and do something like a pattern. Okay. So with the help of the shift key, I just draw a button or a circle, and then we'll give it a white color value. Okay. Then we are going to do the main, the arm. Okay. So that's it. What I'll do, just click this. Okay. Control C, Control F. That's to copy and paste in front. Then I'll drag it downwards. So to decide height, and with the help of the Alt key, I'm going to move. Sorry. The Alt key, I'm going to resize both sides. Okay. And then I'm going to give it a color value. So use I on the keyboard to pick the that's the eyedropper. So click here, the eyedropper. Sorry. Then I'm going to group this, Control C, Control G to group it, and then move this up. Okay. So now we want to do the white stripes. So just Control C, Control F, or let me try resizing the sides. Okay. I think it's too thin. I'm going to increase. Sorry. Oops. So what I can do is Control plus to zoom in so that you can actually see what you're doing. So with the help of the Alt key, I'm going to resize both sides. Okay. So Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to move this down from the top and then bring it up. Then I'll change the color to white. So you can use I on the keyboard to select. That's a shortcut for the eyedropper. Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to move it up, I think 5 times. Control C, Control F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control C, Control F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So depending on the length or the height of your arm, you can just do the counts on your by yourself. Okay, so we are done with the arm. So you want to do the hand. Okay, so to do the hand, we are going to select or just Control C, Control F this, and then just resize it with the help of the Alt key. Stretch it up and then delete this circle. Okay, so double click to isolate this circle or put it into isolation mode, and delete it with the help of the delete key. So arrange and then send to back. So you right click and then arrange and then send to back. So now what we have to do is just give it this color value with the help of the eyedropper. Then we might want to make the arm very thin. So let's see, with the help of the Alt key, we try and make it thin. Okay, so I think this is okay. And then let's select the ellipse tool. Okay, so I've selected the ellipse tool with the help of the shift key. I'm going to draw to decide size, and then just use the arrow key to center it. If you're unable to center, just hold shift and click the circle, and then click the other shape. And then the alignment tools, you hold align center, or you click align center. Okay, so I've selected the rectangle tool, and then I'm going to round in the corners with the help of the direct selection tool. Control C, Control F. Okay, so I just rotated this. Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to reflect it. So flip. So the flip into here. Then I'll put it here too. Then I'll rotate it to this angle, I think 63. Okay, to 63 degrees. And then I'm going to select the let me see. Control C, Control F. Just paste it here. And then use the direct selection tool. Click on the base. Then click delete on the keyboard. Okay. So that's it. I'm going to rotate it from this angle. Yeah, so this is supposed to help form the thumb, like a support to the thumb. Like, yeah. I don't know how they call that, but we'll see what we achieve later. What would achieve. Okay. Sorry, I'm just going to give this color value, and then I'm going to have to reduce it or position it here. Oops, doesn't look well. So Control C, Control F, and then I'm going to root Control C, Control F, and then paste it here. Okay. So Control plus to zoom. Now stretch it. Then stretch this side too. Now to change the color. So eyedropper as usual, give it this color value, and then I'm going to have to move, rotate it. Okay. And then use the arrow key, that's the right arrow key to try and position it well. Down arrow key to move it down. And then just try using the arrow keys to position them well. Okay, so that said, let's see what would achieve later. And for me to push them up. Okay, so I just move this to join it. Okay, so this seems better or this looks better. Click on the circle or the semicircle and then bring it inside. Then try stretching from the base. Just push this inside. Okay. Okay, so this seems okay or this looks okay. So let's do the remaining fingers. So just Control C, Control F this shape, then bring it here. And give it a color value. Then Control C, Control F. Then I'm going to bring it. Control F and then rotate it small and then bring it down. Okay, so this should be our fingers. What I can do, you can an assignment is just for you to try and add shapes. Okay, I wouldn't want the course to be lengthy, so we're just going to leave it this way. So yes, it's for you to add some to make it 3D or to make it look more realistic. What you can do is just to add some shadows. So stretch this. And also what I can do is, since the wrist seems to be the same color as the main body of the hand, so what I can do is you can decide to give it a small shade, just a little amount of shade by just going to the color swatch and then changing it. Okay, so that's it. You can highlight all and then group. Thank you.